Let's write some Babylonian numerals as Hindu-Arabic numerals. The nice thing about the Babylonian system, if I'm looking at a numeral less than 60, I just need to count up how many tens, how many ones, and then add those together. So here I have 3 tens, so 30. And then here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So this number is 35, which is a Hindu-Arabic number, is a 3 and then a 5. Okay, nice. Here's another example. Babylonian numeral is a Hindu-Arabic number or numeral. I've got 2 tens, so 20. I've got 1, 2, 3 more, so 3. So this is the number 23. Okay, again, pretty straightforward if the number is less than 60. Now, if the number is bigger than 60, I actually have to take the place values into account. So first let's figure out what number is in each of these places, starting with the one on the left. Here I have 2 tens and 1 more, so that's 21. Okay, in the next place value, I've got one of these guys, which is a 10. And in my last place value, I have 3. Now I have to remember what the place values for this system are. Well, the Babylonian numeral system is a base 60 system. So starting on the right, they're 1, 60, 60 squared, 60 cubed, and so on. So this is actually 3 times 1. This is 10 times 60. And this is 21 times 60 squared. So to write this as a Hindu-Arabic numeral, I need to find out what each of those things actually is. Well, 21 times 60 squared is 3,600. 10 times 60 is 600. 3 times 1 is 3. 21 times 3,600, my calculator tells me, is 75,600 plus 600 plus 3, which is 76,203. So this is how I write this as a Babylonian numeral. And vice versa, this Babylonian numeral represents this Hindu-Arabic numeral, and they both represent 76,203 of something. All right, let's do one more example of going from Babylonian to Hindu-Arabic. So here I have, or again, I want to start by just counting what's in each place. So this place has a 1 in it. This next place has 30 in it. This next place has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 in it. And this last place has 1 in it. Okay, so those are the numbers in each of the places. Now again, I need to remember my place values in Babylonian are 1, 60, 60 squared, 60 cubed, 60 to the 4th, etc. So this is 1 times 1. This is 14 times 60. This is 30 times 60 squared. Oops. Times 60 squared. And this is 1 times 60 cubed. Okay, so 60 cubed is 216,000. I'll have 1 times that. 60 squared is 3,600. Oops, I missed a times here. It should be 14 times 60. 14 times 60 is 840. Darn colors. And 1 times 1 is 1. Great. So now I just need to do a couple multiplications, add these together, and I'll be all set. So 216,000 plus 108,000 plus 840 plus 1 gives me 324,841. So that numeral up there represents the number I think of when I hear 324,841, and these are 2 different representations of that number. one in the Babylonian system, and one in our Hindu-Arabic system.